video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. Today in this video, we are going to install the power of AI to our FiveM server. So with the help of this script, we can do real AI NPC conversation, provide some IQs to our NPCs, and interact with the NPCs like you are dealing with the real players. This script contains lots and different types of unique AI features, which will definitely going to blow your mind. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $50. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After purchasing and downloading it, you will receive these two files. You just have to install both of them into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be installing them over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's open the setup menu. For that, we just do type /AI World Setup. So from here, you can choose the different type of language according to your preference. Let's open the interaction settings. And you can see these are the interaction settings over here. If you want to enable the push to talk mode, you just have to enable that from here. Let's open the NPC settings. From here, you can customize the NPC of your server. From here, you can create a scenario as you like by just clicking over here. From here, you can add knowledge to the NPCs of your server. And these are the knowledge for the locations. You can add your own custom knowledge by just clicking over here. And you can add it over here. These are the configurations for the services. As you can see, this is for hospital, mechanic, and drug sale. If you want to disable the drug sale, you just have to click over here and disable it. And these are some additional settings. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now let's check out the functionality of the script. You have to press E to interact with the pet. Let's talk to her. Hey, what is your name?
Hi there, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Who is the current police chief of the Los Santos?
The current police chief is Chief Ramirez.
So you can compare it over here. The name of the police chief. Hey, what is your name?
Hi there, I'm Franklin. Nice to meet you.
Can you tell me where is the police department?
Sure, it's over at Los Santos Police Department.
So you will get an option over here to mark the location. Thank you so much. Can you be my friend?
Sure, I'd love to be your friend.
So when someone becomes your friend, he or she will start following you. As you can see, now he will sit into the car, just like this, as you can see. So as per the configuration, I can make total 4 friends. You can change the configuration from the AI World Setup. Hey, do you want anything to eat?
I'm good, thanks. I just had dinner. How about you?
Can you suggest me a good restaurant?
Sure, there's a great place called the Cluck and Bell, not too far from here. They have some delicious fried chicken. Would you like to head over there?
I think I don't want to be your friend anymore. Please get out from the car.
Alright, I understand. I'll get out.
So you can see the functionality and the power of this script over here. Let's go to the ammunition. So from the config file of QBCore, you need to remove this default pad which is standing over here. So let's interact with this pad. Hello sir, I am looking for a pistol.
We've got a great selection of pistols. How many are you looking to buy?
I just need 2 Walther pistol.
Sure thing. We've got the Walther P226 in stock.
I need 3 pistol ammo.
Got it. 3 pistol ammo. That'll be $750.
So you can see, you can directly purchase it from here. After confirming it, I've got my 3 pistol ammos. Hello sir, I need 1 more pistol ammo.
Sure thing. One more pistol ammo. That'll be $250.
So I've got one more over here. Let's try to scare this NPC. Hey Kenneth, I don't need your help. I just want to know where is your house?
Oh, my house? It's just a few blocks away from here. Why do you ask?
Today, I will rob your house.
What are you talking about? You're not making any sense.
Put your hands up, I will rob you.
What are you doing? You're scaring me. I don't have anything valuable on me. Please, just leave me alone. Please don't do that. I don't want any trouble.
Lamau. NPC is just NPC, you know. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.